Look at that, no greasy mess on the plate. Hey, greetings from Texas. All right, we finally got some decent weather here. We've been having thunderstorms and such the last few weeks. So it's a great time to fire up that Blackstone Griddle. So you're gonna be seeing a few more recipes and dishes coming off that flat top. Today we're gonna make a little twist of an American grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna step it up a notch just because we have some stuff left over, homemade stuff, and we're getting things from the garden. The only difference that I do as far as making a grilled cheese sandwich is I toast the inside of the bun or inside of the bread. That gives you that extra layer of umami, extra layer of flavor to your sandwich, and it helps protect the bread. So let's go look at what I have for ingredients, and then we'll go out and fire up the griddle. Okay, for ingredients, we have a small pan. We're gonna melt our butter and brush it on instead of trying to put lumps of cold butter on our bread. We have a jalapeno from the garden. For a single sandwich, I have 4 slices of American cheese, and then I have my homemade bacon. So let me do a little bit of prep work because we need to slice the bread and the jalapeno. Okay, so our jalapeno, we're just gonna slice it. Okay, if you don't want your jalapeno spicy, just push out the inside or the seeds. That's where all the heat is. And these are gonna just kind of get grilled real lightly on the griddle when we put the cheese on the bread. We have our ingredients. Let's go out to the griddle. First off, we're gonna get our bacon started. And then we're gonna toast our jalapenos. And we're gonna get our butter melted. All right, when I cook bacon, I go low and slow. And this helps, especially with this thick bacon. Make sure it gets cooked thoroughly, and we render off a lot of that fat to get it crispy. All right, let's get our jalapenos off. And let's flip this bacon again. Okay, let's start toasting our bread. Okay, our bacon's almost done. Take these smaller pieces off. Now I cure my bacon with brown sugar, so it gets a little tacky. Kind of leaves residue on it. Okay, our insides of our bread are done. It's time to finish up the sandwich. And keep an eye on it, don't walk away. All right, it's time to flip the bread. It's time to call it. All right, and here's our sandwich. Okay, folks, here's our bacon jalapeno grilled cheese sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. Toast the inside. That's one thing I want to get you guys to do. That'll level up your sandwich. If you have thick bread and you're using block cheese, grate the cheese. That'll help it melt better. I just like American cheese with a basic grilled cheese sandwich. By using the brush and the butter, we don't have a big greasy mess to deal with. So now it's time to eat. That's a good grilled cheese sandwich. The jalapeno works great with the bacon. It's not hot. Even though I left the seeds in, because we toasted it, that really tones it down quite a bit. Give you one last look. Okay, folks, I'm gonna finish my sandwich. You know, you can make it however you want, make it your own. I just wanted to, you know, give you a couple tips, brushing the butter on, and then toasting the inside of that bun. That'll up your game just a little bit. I just want to motivate you to get out there and cook. If you have a griddle, Blackstone Griddle, it's a great time of year to take advantage of it. If you don't have one, get one. I cook a lot on it outside, and that keeps our kitchen clean, and it's fun. It's fun being outdoors. All right, appreciate you stopping by. Give a thumbs up, don't cost nothing. Thanks for watching.